Morning, everybody. This is Joe. The first thing I want to say is thank you for all you subscribers. I've never in my life thought I would get that much love from everybody who gave me. I got 21 subscribers. That's awesome. Please, if you like the video, put thumbs up. If you want to hear more content and the honest truth about a product without anybody endorsing me and nothing like that, I'll give it to you. Please subscribe. Thank you. It really would help my channel. This is the video I like to give you. I want to give you the honest truth. Now I have the Oculus Rift, which is right here, and I have the Oculus Go. Now the Rift I had for almost 2 years now. 2 years with the Rift. The Oculus Go got it in on Friday. Today is I got it on Wednesday. Sorry, and it's Friday now. Okay, this is the appearance. And before you buy this Oculus Go, I'm going to let you know the good things and the bad things about it. Let's start with the good. The good thing is it's portable. It's portable. It's very, very comfortable. It's very easy to clean. Parts come off. If some of these parts wear out, or this wears out, or this is no good no more, you can always get repaired, replaced, or whatever. But at least those parts come out. So Oculus gets points on that. The lens are 10 times better than the Oculus Rift. 10 times better. I had never thought I would be putting this thing on as soon as I wake up in the morning. The first thing on my mind is this, instead of me turning on the desktop computer. The other thing is, it has built-in headphones inside. This little plastic piece right here. So you can just throw it right on and hear the headphones. Now, but if you have those headphones, everybody around you is going to hear it. So if you want more privacy, don't worry. They still give us that 3mm jack outlet. And I put my favorite headphones on it. It sounds 10 times more quality. Surround, you can hear the 3D sound effect and everything. So many apps you can get that's free in here. They got Facebook where you can talk to your friends, just all join in together on this Oculus Go. I have to admit, Oculus did really good with this. They did so many. The bad thing about this, the bad thing is if your environment is really, really hot, which is no different than any other VR gear, goggles that you put on, will fog up. So I got a problem here and there. It fogs up. There's not enough ventilation here. So if you sweat a lot or something, I turn a fan or air conditioner on it, and it balances out my body temperature. That's when you keep it on a long time. The bad thing I got about it is that when you Oculus Rift, when you're looking at something and you're playing a game, you push your head forward, you go forward toward it, and that object is right in your face. But Oculus Go, I think what they call it is 30 degrees or whatever. So when you go like this, that image just stays right there. So you're not going to get those special effects with sticking your head through a window and all that. You can do this with the Oculus Rift. But if you're a new beginner and a new person on VR, I don't care about the daydreaming and all that Samsung gear crap. This is the way to go. It's only $200 for the 32 gig and 64 gig. You get it for another $50. The best place I recommend it, and please take me serious and remember this, go to Best Buy. If you go to Best Buy and you have a little Best Buy card that you get points and everything, and if you you get 20 days to keep it. You get to play with it for 20 days. If you don't like it, keep the original box. Like I do when I want to make sure if I want it or not. If you don't like it then, put it neatly back in the box, take it back to Best Buy. They give you a full refund, no questions asked. I've been dealing with Best Buy for years. I buy almost everything there. The other thing, see with Oculus Rift, if you're going to get something and you've been with VR before, Oculus Rift is awesome. It's fantastic and everything. But let me just think, what hearing the YouTube videos and everything that people are saying is that Oculus is not going to be doing too much more with the Rift. They're going to do a standalone. They got this other gear that's coming out, which is going to have all them sensors in the front. They can go in and out when objects. I think it's Andreas, whatever the name is, and that one's going to be just as good. So I'm definitely going to be getting that. And as soon as I get that, I'm going to definitely get a review. But I have to admit, there's not really no. Oh, one more thing, the battery. I think the battery was 100% this morning when I charged it, and I may have had it on for maybe an hour and a half or so. The battery does drain a lot. That's because I got the brightness up, full 100%, the speaker 100%, and when you're downloading stuff while you're playing a game and all that, that pulls juice too. So they don't recommend you plug it in, and then using it, they recommend that you let it sit for a while, turn it off when you're charging it. But if you're going to do the downloading of the games, I recommend you download the games first, let it sit on the table, let it be in a charger. Get all the stuff that you wanted to download, then let it charge up. Then when you're just playing, you get a lot more time on the battery. Other than that, I got no complaints about it. The controller is awesome. One battery, and I had it for 3 days, and this thing still says 100% one on the battery. You just pull this out, and it's only one AA battery, and it's not even a brand name that they give you. The battery comes with it. Don't worry. They give you the cleaning cloth to clean it, the charger, the cable to charge it off with, and it did a great job. It's not even heavy. It don't bother me. The only problem I got a problem with, I got hairy eyebrows, and this stuff right here on the inside, it could be a little irritating for me. Just a little where you want to scratch it, itchy. But other than that, you just throw it right on. Watch this. All you do is go 1, 2. No more adjusting and all that. The flexible gear is just so good, and this thing was gonna last. This fabric. I just want to let you know, when I do a video, I do it and I tell you the truth. All right. There's no endorsements, none of that crap. So I don't want to see nobody in there wasting their money. So I want to say thank you for you subscribers that subscribe to my channel. Thank you. It makes my day. All right. From New York City, I love you. Have a good day.